Welcome to the 4 and 6 software. I'm here to demonstrate the software program. Let's check how the program works.
Are you someone from the forensic community? Do you want to export DBX mailboxes to text? Try out a simple way to read your DBX file and extract information for your work. Are you looking for a reliable solution to export DBX emails to text file format? Let's start by downloading the 4 and 6 DBX Forensics Wizard on Windows supportive system. Now, run the application and open it. First, we will learn to view DBX file and then export DBX emails into text file format. As you see, this utility has a simplified and intuitive interface that anyone can use to achieve the task. First, go to the Open tab and select an option from Choose File and choose Folder to load DBX mailboxes in the software panel. Pick the required DBX folder containing useful information from the system and click on Select Folder. The software is analyzing the DBX mailboxes. The tool lists all the DBX mailboxes in the software interface. Here, click on the DBX mailbox that data you want to preview in the software window. As you see now, all the emails in the DBX folder are listed one by one. Now, click the email to view the message. This way you can preview the DBX email message with all the properties and elements such as email properties, signature, sender information, and more. If you want to see the email attachment, tap on it and choose whether you want to open it or save it. This utility provides multiple saving options to easily export DBX mailboxes with attachments. The utility provides separate export and extract option, as you can see in the software window. Choose text option from the list. Now, check the required DBX mailbox to save it into text file format. Then, click on Browse and specify a location on your system to get the final results. As you see, there are many options available in the software panel. So, let's first understand them, and it is up to you whether you want to enable the option or not. The first is Open Folders after export is done. If you enable this feature, then the target folder where the output file is saved gets automatically opened after the conversion. The next one is to create empty folders. Please disable this option so that you can avoid creating empty folders. The other one is to delete old folders. If you want to delete previously converted data from the destination folder, then please enable this option. Next is an Include Email Header. We recommend you to disable this option to remove headers from your output data to reduce output file size. Now, finally, click on the Save button. You can see the live process of exporting DBX files into text file type in the software panel. After some time, a complete conversion message pop-ups on your screen as shown in the video. If you want to test the utility for free, then download the demo edition of the software. It helps you view, export 10 DBX files from a folder. Now, Let's check the final results. If you want to test the utility for free, then download the demo edition of the software. It helps you view, export 10 DBX files from a folder to text file simply. So, open the resultant folder. As you can see, all the DBX mailboxes are successfully exported to text format with all the properties and elements. If you have any questions, please leave in the comment box. To watch more 4 and 6 software videos, please subscribe to our channel. Have a great day.